In local politics, with candidates already beginning to register for next April's general election, lawmakers from Korea's rival parties frantically try to reach a compromise on how to redraw the electoral map. But according to our Ji Myung, those talks could drag on until the end of the year. Take a look.
Korea's two main rival parties wrapped up another round of talks on redrawing the nation's electoral map without a solution. The ruling Saenuri Party slammed the main opposition New Politics Alliance for Democracy for the failure.
If the NPAD doesn't want to be remembered as the worst political party ever, they'd better work towards progress on the redistricting issue. The issue must be resolved to make it easier for newcomers planning to run in the general elections next year.
There is concern that those who participated in early candidate registration on Tuesday could be at a disadvantage in launching their campaigns. If they register their candidacies in areas subject to redistricting, their campaigns could be invalidated when the electoral map changes. Earlier in the day, National Assembly Speaker Chung had called a meeting of rival party leaders in an effort to move them toward a compromise. Calling the matter a legislative emergency, he indicated he would step in if the parties fail to find a solution by the end of the year. The NPAD objected immediately, saying he had overreached.
It wouldn't be right for Speaker Chung to exercise his authority to resolve the restricting issue. That goes against the principle of parliamentary sovereignty.
The redistricting issue arose following a ruling by the Constitutional Court last year that said the current electoral map is unconstitutional because it perpetuates unequal representation due to changes in the population. The main sticking point between the rival parties is whether or not to decrease the number of proportional representatives. The only thing they've agreed on so far is to keep the number of assembly seats at the current 300. Ji Myung, Arirang News.